while we have the truck in the workshop, as a continuation on from fixing the window regulators, I've just found something in the workshop. Hippel's old cold air intake, K&N Apollo induction kit. Basically, we unbolt this, remove all of this, clean this up obviously, fit that, fit the bracket, and then it makes squishy noises. I think we should fit it. I really do. In the interest of science, I think we should. Let's do it. So, we're already into it. Got it disconnected. Got the MAF sensor unplugged. My truck has been vandalised, which is a story for another time. In theory, if we pull this out now, we should have loads of room. Kind of puts it in perspective. Big stupid airbox, K&N. Now we have tons of room. So much room for activities. So when you get the bracket mounted up to here, which then lets us fit the MAF sensor to this, gets the MAF sensor. I need to rob the MAF sensor in fact. So we need to move the MAF sensor. Yep. Easy enough. So we've cleaned up the MAF sensor a little bit. And that basically just bolts right into here. Or slides right into there. So it sits in there like that. MAF sensor goes in here, which we need to rob from there. So, MAF sensor's plugged in, it's slotted into the intake pipe. that was a fun little project. That's it all fitted now. Yes, I know it's dirty, but seeing as we're going to go to Drumclog, it's going to get even dirtier. K&N claim that it increases the horsepower. I don't know if that's true or not. I like the noise. I genuinely like the noise the K&N makes. It makes like a squishy noise. I suppose is the easiest way to describe it. So we'll get tidied up, get everything out of the way, we'll start the truck, we'll see if it makes any noises, puts any lights on. But it's in, connected, and looks solid. Alright, first start. Yeah, it's like being in Hippo again. I love that noise, especially when we're bouncing about at Drumclog. So, that's another little modification finished on the truck. I suppose that's its first proper modification. Everything else has been fixing faults. So, we've got wheels and tyres, K&N, we fixed the window switch, fixed the lock. Progress is being made. As always guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping me amused. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch up with you guys later. First drive of the K&N.